The HTTP response status code 303C other is a way to redirect web applications to a new URI, particularly after an HTTP post has been performed, since RFC 2616. According to RFC 7231, which obsoletes RFC 2616, a 303 response to a GET request indicates that the origin server does not have a representation of the target resource that can be transferred by the server over HTTP. However, the location field value refers to a resource that is descriptive of the target resource, such that making a retrieval request on that other resource might result in a representation that is useful to recipients without implying that it represents the original target resource. This status code should be used with a location header, as described below. 303C other has been proposed as one way of responding to a request for a URI that identifies a real-world object according to semantic web theory. For example, if HTTP www.example.com Alice identifies a person, Alice, then it would be inappropriate for a server to respond to a GET request with 200 OK, as the server could not deliver Alice herself. Instead, the server would issue a 303C other response which redirected to a separate URI providing a description of the person Alice. 303C other can be used for other purposes. For example, when building a RESTful web API that needs to return to the caller immediately but continue executing asynchronously, the web API can provide a status check URI that allows the original client who requested the conversion to check on the conversion status. This status check web API should return 303C other to the caller when the task is complete, along with a URI from which to retrieve the result in the location HTTP header field. Example, client request. GET/HTTP/1.1, host, www.example.com. Server response. HTTP/1.1 303C other, location, http://example.org/. Other. See also, RFC 1945, RFC 7231, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, list of HTTP status codes, PostGet, references.